I will show you how to make a vinegar and baking soda experiment. First, you need mask and goggles so you won't smell the vinegar. And then, prepare all the materials. First, we need bottle, vinegar, baking soda, balloons, funnels, and spoons. And first, we need to put the baking soda inside the funnel. Always put 10 scoops. To push it with a spoon or pencil. Push it. So when the balloon is already full with baking soda, next step, you need to put the vinegar inside the bottle. And then you put the balloon. Then you put the balloon inside the tip of the bottle. And then you put the baking soda down to the bottle. See? Forms a balloon. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye! Wait guys, before you leave, let's pop the balloon! Don't do this at home. It's so dangerous.